Recap for window repair, window replacement, window installation service businesses and LSA. This is our last call, for now. To recap, 1. LSA is great because Google recommends you. 2. The green checkmark builds confidence and you get better conversions. 3. You are seen right on top of the page above even the sponsored ads and SEO, and even the maps. All the reasons why you must take advantage of it now. Before there are any algorithm changes, when the same opportunity to accumulate clients may not exist. Later we will share with you how you can have a consistent flow of leads and appointments with some of our other tools, how you can automate follow-through and nurture these customers, and how you can occupy even more real estate on the first page of both Google and Bing, as some of our window repair, window replacement, window installation service clients are doing. Remember Bert, a window installer from Riverside? This is what he did to move his business out of the doldrums to unimaginable growth for himself. He met with us quickly, before his competitors could get wind of this, and used the tactics and strategies we showed him, and readjusted his ad spend. Thanks for your time. I am eager to hear your thoughts on this. Do get in touch today and text window calls for me to reach out to you. LSA for USA.com. This is our last communication for now. So connect and tell me what you think and claim your prize. Thanks much.